Solana was one of the hottest altcoins earlier this year, and that hype led to some pretty wild predictions. We saw analysts and influencers alike calling for $500, $750, even $1,000 per SOL. Those weren't necessarily 2025 targets, but the general belief was Solana would go a lot higher. But here we are, Bitcoin has continued rising, yet Ethereum and Solana are both trading below their January levels. So what happened? And more importantly, can Solana still hit $500? This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. And remember, keep your crypto safe with Best Wallet. It's non-custodial, KYC-free, multi-chain, and available now on the App Store and Google Play. Let's break it down. Solana reached an all-time high of $294 back in January, but since then, it's dropped by over 42%. At one point, it even fell below the $100 mark in April. This decline raises a critical question. Were the bullish predictions just hype, or is there still substance behind the Solana narrative? Interestingly, Solana's surge earlier this year wasn't driven by DeFi or tokenization, but by meme coins. The launch of Dollar Trump and Dollar Melania on the Solana network, fueled by cheap and fast transactions, played a huge role in driving SOL to new highs. But after the hype cooled down, so did the price. Despite the correction, there are still two very real reasons why a $500 SOL isn't off the table. And both come from the institutional side. First, Solana treasuries. We've already seen public companies adding Bitcoin and Ethereum to their balance sheets. And now, a growing number of firms are starting to build Solana treasuries, treating dollar SOL as a long-term strategic reserve asset. If this trend continues, we could see billions in institutional capital flowing into Solana. And because its market cap is still far smaller than BTC or ETH, even moderate inflows could send the price soaring. Second, Solana ETFs. Right now, 7 ETF applications for Solana are waiting for SEC approval. That's more than for any other altcoin. While the number of applications doesn't guarantee inflows, it does signal serious demand from issuers who believe investors want this product. And if even one or two of these ETFs get the green light, combined with direct investments from companies, Solana could very well test the $500 mark next year. With the price currently hovering around $170, we may be looking at a rare window of opportunity.